My name is Willie Fairell. Some call me, Mr. Will. Some call me Pops, My business is Q Brothers Barbecue and Southern Cuisine. Anything that we barbecue, from pork, beef, chicken, you name it, we completely smoke every meat. Every meat is smoked before it's even put on the grill. We do a little bit of basically like international barbecue, because my family is diverse. You got braised oxtail, you got curry chicken, seafood etouffee, as well as crawfish etouffee. Our sandwich is like a brisket sandwich, but it's also a cheesesteak. That's what we call the Big Papa. My wife's recipe for sassy sauce, which is, I can't give you the ingredients of that, but it's sweet with a little bit of heat. So we have an array of different type stuff that we put on our menu, and it works well. These are basically 5-star restaurant dishes that we learned how to prepare, which you don't have to be a 5-star restaurant to serve it, but it tastes the same. It would be a challenge to start, being the first, Black barbecue business owner here, but I love the area. It's very diverse over here. There's plenty of nationalities, and people love barbecue. And I love seeing the smile on people's face when they're satisfied. Your stomach is full, you can go home, and you have plenty left on your plate. We don't shy, on the orders and stuff. We go ahead and fix your plate just like we fix our own at home.
Hi, my name is Savas Logothaitis. I'm the Executive Director of the Pottsville Area Development Corporation and excited to be the lead mentor of the Launch Pottsville competition. Over the next few weeks, you're going to get to meet our 10 remaining applicants as they vie for $150,000 in startup capital and pro bono goods and services to start their businesses. You'll go along with them on their journey to the final presentation at the end of April. You'll even help us decide who will be the next great business in downtown Pottsville.